Module number 79, we will discuss significance of professional development. Professional development is very important and very significant for the support of the people at the workplace and understanding the environment of the workplace and how to use the one's capabilities for the improvement of the workplace, and can use how to use the potentials at the workplace for the improvement of own self. And it is the lifelong process. As long as you work, and it's the longer you are working at the place, the better you will be getting the opportunities of the improvement. And the professional opportunities provide they keep synchronization the changes, and with the passage of the changes you are improving. When there is a change, there is a modification in the behavior, the change in the curriculum, the change in the professional competencies of the teachers, and they help in the broaden professional skills. If I am provided professional development courses, I improve my professional skills and I become more efficient in my work and the better practitioner at my workplace, and can enhance the career through the professional development. The career development and career prospects are more confident about my work or one's work, making more personally fulfilling the requirement of the profession. And there is a cycle of the professional development. If you look at this slide, you will see that there are 4 planning components. You will see at the evaluation component, analyzing of the things. Basically, it starts from selecting the contents and designing the content and the training opportunities and the collaboration implementation, and this is the ongoing component. And these are for the execution purposes, and the other are for the evaluation purposes for the professional development. There is the importance of the professional development, because it gives you the opportunities for your recognitions. It is the professional development opportunity gives you opportunities of the trends and directions of the technology, and what is expected by the society, or what is the future challenges of the society. By the professional trainings, you become increasingly reflective in the workplace. You are very aware what is going to happen and what is expected from myself, and it helps the influence and lead the others, and confident in the work and the future employability and fulfilling and rewarding of the career. And an institution that organizes team-based professional development of the teachers, that expects that the teachers and the administrator should constantly be participating for different purposes, not all the same purposes. One time I want to improve my evaluation skills, other time organizing skills, other time teaching skills, English teaching skills, at the different times and the different ways. There is the significance of the professional development for educators. Number 1, students have better learning outcomes. If I am more competent and professionally qualified persons with the ample opportunities and having undergone the different level of the professional development opportunities, my students will be more beneficiary, and there is the direct impact on the students' learning. And the teachers learn better ways to teach. If I am professionally competent, if I am getting professional development courses and the trainings and the opportunities, I will learn different ways and better ways, and how efficiently I can teach this subject in a more better way than I was last year teaching this subject. Teachers develop better organizing and planning skills. With the trainings, with the professional development opportunities, teacher become more competent in organizing and planning skills. Organizing of the activities, organizing and planning of the students' learning opportunities, etc. and the teachers gain knowledge and industry insight. As a teacher, if the teacher is not undergoing the professional opportunities, he or she doesn't know by himself, even if of the maximum efforts, but if he or she gets opportunities of the professional development through workshops, conferences, trainings, webinars, etc., he or the teacher would be knowing more, gaining more knowledge of the more knowledge, and what is the challenges in the industries, what kind of the new methods and new knowledge is there in the relevant subject that one is teaching. Teachers want to continue their education through professional development. The teachers should be very serious of the enhancement of the qualification. So the professional development opportunities provide them gaining of the more knowledge and continues their further education. And the professional development opportunity helps in affecting student learning. The more I am professionally competent, the more I am having the impact on the behavior and the personalities and the knowledge of my students. Professional development encourages the success of new teachers. If I'm new teacher, but I'm getting more professional trainings of different aspects of my professional requirements as a teacher, as a manager, as a paper evaluation, paper setting, paper checking, etc., then I will be more competent in my field. And if I'm new teacher, there are more chances of success in my field if I get professional development. And it promotes growth mindset. And through the professional development, the teacher becomes always motivated and thinks of more improvement, and with the more improvement, there are more opportunities of the growth and development of the teachers in terms of the professional things, in terms of the career opportunities.